Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial, and this one is a very highly requested one. Can you guys guess what it is? I think you guys already can tell. This is a full face of drugstore makeup. Whatever you see in my face right now, it is completely drugstore and in your budget. In this tutorial, I'm literally going to show you guys how you can look $1 million without spending millions. So this is a full face of drugstore makeup, and I'm partnering with banglashopers.com for this video, and all the products that I've used in this video is available in Banglashoppers, so you guys can definitely check that out, and I'll be adding all the product details in the description box below for you guys. And now if you want to see how I did this full face of drugstore makeup, then let's move on with the tutorial. Before starting to apply any of the base products, I am taking the W7 Fixer Spray. This is actually a makeup setting spray, but it also hydrates the skin, plus it also makes it very refreshing. That's why before applying any kind of primer, I'm going in with the fixing spray. Priming is a very crucial and a very important step when it comes to making your makeup look good, and we're not going to be skipping it because obviously it is very important. And the primer that today I'm going to be using is the W7 Prime Magic Camera Ready Primer. Don't worry about the messy application in this portion because we are going to be blending it out and deepening our crease. Now for the crease, I'm taking this burnt red orange shade, and then again I'm also picking up the brown color from the palette, and with these two eyeshadows mixed, I am going to be deepening my crease. A tad bit of ombre, I'm going in with another shade of the same liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Chai. And I'm just going to focus it just slightly on the middle. Okay, so this is the absolute final step, and that is the makeup fixing spray that I used earlier when I started doing my makeup. So this is the W7 makeup fixer, and this will help to lock my makeup in and also melt all the powders of my face. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll be adding all the product details with their links in the description box below, and I will also try to add on the prices. And if you're shopping from banglashoppers.com, then make sure you guys do use my code BASMA, because if you use my code you will get an additional 5% discount with their any other ongoing discount going on. If they are having a 20% off on anything and then you also use my code, then you'll in total get 25% off. So that's an amazing thing. So just a reminder, if you're buying anything from their website, then make sure to use my code BASMA. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't, and also don't forget to hit the bell button, because if you don't hit the bell button you won't be notified when I upload a new video. Do follow me in my Instagram too, because I'm mostly active in there, and also make sure you are connected with me in my Facebook page, and I will be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.